Attention residents of Oklahoma City, this is an official announcement from the Oklahoma Department of State Police. We would like to inform you that civil danger warning has been issued for the entree city of Oklahoma City. This warning will remain in effect until 10:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Numerous reports have been received regarding the presence of an unidentified entity within the area. At this time, the nature and intentions of this entity remain unknown. We strongly urge residents to exercise caution and remain vigilant. While there is no immediate need for emergency action, we advise you to stay informed and take extra precautions. Please monitor news and media outlets for updates as the situation unfolds. The authorities will provide further information as it becomes available. Your safety is our utmost priority. We now return you to your regular programming.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
This is an urgent message from the Oklahoma Department of State Police. We have received initial reports of unusual sightings in the cities of Oklahoma City, Rouge, New Orleans, Lake Charles, and Ruston. There have been sightings of unidentified creatures appearing from the ground. However, it has not been confirmed whether these creatures are connected to a larger entity. For your safety, it is strongly advised that you remain indoors and refrain from approaching these creatures. We are uncertain of their intentions. Please stay informed by following news and media updates as we gather more information. We will provide further updates as the situation develops.
Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. La 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 la. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish.
Oh, no.
This is News Oklahoma 2 reporting live from Oklahoma City. We have an urgent update. Just in multiple sightings of extraordinary beings known as perfection creatures have been reported throughout Oklahoma City, Ruston, New Orleans, and Lake Charles. These creatures are causing widespread destruction and posing a significant threat to residents. Furthermore, eyewitnesses have identified a colossal and overpowering entity as the perfection god. The city is currently experiencing rapid chaos as a result of this alarming situation. Now we go live to our correspondent Heather, who is stationed in downtown Oklahoma City. Heather, can you provide us with an update on the ground? Please stay safe down there.
I am currently located in downtown Oklahoma City, where a disturbing and chaotic situation is unfolding. There appears to be an ominous figure known as the Perfection God causing havoc and report TDI taking lives with a mysterious black magic-infused white glove. While his appearance bears resemblance to goanimate4schools, certain distinct features set him apart, towering in height and absent of his customary hat. The Perfection God bloodshot is emit an eerie white glow lacking any pupils. His face is marred with deep cracks seemingly bleeding, and his visit is partially obscured by magenta veins aptly named Perfection veins by the public. Notably, he possesses 2 additional eyes on his forehead and store match, alongside 2 extra arms, all of which are black and unusually long and thin, accompanied by a disconcerting smile. The Perfection God deteriorating mental state has rendered him highly aggressive, making him a lethal threat to anyone within a sight.
Cody, wake up.
I must exercise caution, as it seems I may have attracted his attention. I must leave this area promptly, returning to you, Stefan.
Wow, that's actually quite terrifying. Everyone, please stay connected to various news outlets and stay informed as events develop. This is Oklahoma News 4, bringing you an exclusive report. We now return you to regular programming.
Caillou, why did you wake me up so suddenly?
Cody, today is June 30th. You know what that means, right?
Oh, that's right. Today is the day goanimate4schools, the platform we are on, is going to get shut down.
Us and the rest of our family need to be prepared for it. Come on, we should get up and get downstairs. Our mom is probably waiting for us all to get down there.
Message from the Louisiana State Police. A Louisiana State Police had interrupted your normal programming to inform the public about a dangerous individual known as the Perfection God. Numerous incidents have been reported involving their alleged use of a white glove infused with dark magic, resulting in the death of multiple individuals, including 10 police officers and 5 military personnel. We strongly advise all residents to remain indoors and refrain from approaching or attempting to apprehend a Perfection God. Engaging with him could pose a serious threat to your life and the lives of others. Furthermore, there are indications that there may be additional into these called perfectionist monsters. Why, it is yet to be confirmed if the perfection insanity has spread like a virus. The CDC is actively investigating this matter. Stay tuned for reliable news and media outlets for further updates as the situation unfolds.
Every wind's blow across the mountains, giving The area around Oklahoma City had the worst damage by far. Roxana Sabiri is in Noble, Oklahoma. That's south of Oklahoma City. Roxana, good morning. Good to see you.
Good morning, Gail. This is the main drag here in Noble, Oklahoma. The tornado ripped the roof.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his designated representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. I repeat. Please stand by. I repeat again, please stand by. Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for the interruption to our regular programming as we bring you urgent news concerning a national emergency. Please remain attentive as we provide crucial instructions and essential information following the attention signal. The following message is being transmitted by the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the North American Aerospace Defense Command. This is an urgent message. I repeat, this is urgent message. Dear citizens, we are currently facing a grave situation. Dangerous. Combination of white gloves infused with mystical powers. And they are causing harm and destruction wherever they go. Additionally, a widespread outbreak of the PIX390 virus has occurred throughout the United States. It is anticipated that both the creatures and the virus will rapidly spread globally WTHI in the next 10 to 20 hours. It is of utmost importance that all residents seek shelter immediately in the lowest level building. Under no circumstances should anyone venture outside. Remember to remain calm and maintain hope. Despite the challenges we face, our nation will endure. Thank you for your attention to this message. May you all be protected, and may America be blessed.
Attention please. This is an important message from the North American Aerospace Defense Command, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States government. We are pleased to announce that the battle against the PIX390 virus has been won, and a cure has been successfully developed and distributed to the public in a timely manner. Additionally, the entity known as the Perfection God has reverted back to goanimate4schools. And goanimate4schools is expected to shut down experience to deliver an apology speech tomorrow morning. We have emerged victorious from this ordeal. As a result, all residents are now permitted to leave their shelters. Your government sincerely appreciates your cooperation throughout this emergency. Local and state officials will now assume responsibility for ongoing alerts. Normal programming may gradually resume at this time.
Miles per hour to 800 miles per hour.
This is not a test. This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Beyond City Police Department. At 9:45 a.m., there have been many reports of objects glitching up which have caused anyone near the objects to get shocked very badly. It has also been reported that the skies of the United States have also been glitching up, causing their colors to invert, become red, black, and white, or completely black. It has been realized that the cause of this is that goanimate4schools is shutting down. In fact, it is shutting down in 2 minutes. Everyone in the United States, especially those in Beyond City, are advised to follow these instructions. Cover all windows with tape, damp towels, and damp clothing, as the amount of electricity flowing in the air when the shutdown occurs will cause windows to shatter brutally. After that, take cover under a sturdy object, such as a table, desk, bed, or couch. If you do not take cover, you will be exposing yourself to the amount of electricity in the air, which can cause a shock so bad that it can cause a coma or death. Turn off all handheld devices, such as phones, handheld consoles, or laptops.